Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I'm going to go over a quick Glowforge update. They created a new site, which we're going to get to last in this video. It's the most important thing, though, that's going on. And then there's also a few other things that you should be aware of. Normally I don't make an updated video on their Glowforge announcements, but for those people who don't go to the Glowforge community website often and look at the announcements, I thought this was pretty important for you guys to have a heads up. So first up, I wanted to show you guys that on August 16th, they are going to have an autofocuser day. So they didn't really go in depth of exactly how they're going to pull that off. I'm guessing they're going to just take multiple images of your material and then measure an average height and to be more accurate. But they're basically going to turn that on for one day. Your prints are going to be a little bit slower, and then they're going to turn it off the next day and then get some results to help people's accuracy of their machines. If you scroll up a little bit, there is the camera recalibrator here. I made an entire video on how to do that too, so if your prints are always off, you definitely want to calibrate your machine. And then next up we have the Glowforge Pro certified renewed. What that means is they're going to be selling some of those renewed or factory reconditioned Glowforge Pros for $1,850 off. And they're going to include free shipping and all of the accessories that come with a normal machine. So if you're looking for a Glowforge Pro, that's a good time to save some money there. I don't believe that you can use the referral code for that. If you're looking for a different machine, I do have a referral code that will save up to $500 off in the description below. But last but not least, this is the new website here. It's glowforge.new. What this is going to bring you straight to the Glowforge new user interface page. So, for example, if you go to app.glowforge.com and you use this new design button a lot, it'll bring you straight into the new design button. So I'm going to click that really quick. So it's going to bring you straight here instead of the dashboard. Now, if you're not signed in already, it'll bring you to the dashboard the first time, and then every time after you're signed in on that computer, it'll bring you straight to the new page. So I'm going to show you what happens when I click on this. You can type this in at the top as well and go straight to that page, but I'm going to just click on this and show you. So as you can see, it's loading it right now, and it went straight to that page. So that'll save you one step of going to the dashboard first. If you use this a lot, this will probably come in handy for people who use premium, and then they make it with like the shapes and text. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to make you guys aware of the new Glowforge website and the autofocuser day. Those are going to be the two most important. And then if you're looking for the Pro, you can save some money off here. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.